morning, friends. I'm here in practical life. You see? Let me see. Okay. I want this to work. And I get the tray with both hands. You see the tray? I put one hand here and other hand here. And I walk slowly and I sit. Okay. You can sit here or here with me. And today you're gonna do pudding with cup to cup. Okay? I have one cup, other cup, and a sponge and water in here. Okay? And I do this. You see? Okay. Oh. Okay, it's okay. I have a sponge here for this situation. Okay. And okay, my tray is dry. You see? I put my sponge here again and again and again. You see, friends, it's easy to do it. You can do it at home with mommy and daddy, your brother and your sister, okay? And bye-bye, friends. See you next week.